Taal Volcano, the smallest active volcano in the world. It's a beautiful place and one of the most visited tourist spots in the Philippines. This is a geological wonder which is actually a volcano within a lake inside a volcano. As most of you have heard by now, January 12th, Taal Volcano erupted. My brothers from Wak Wak Riders Club Philippines contributed what we can and bought from our own pockets food, blankets, pillows, underwear, clothing, toiletries, and toys to cheer up the children. I wasn't prepared to see the devastation and to meet so many people who lost their homes, business, and pets during this volcanic eruption. One that stood out the most is Francisca Cacao, whose family is now living in a classroom turned makeshift bedroom.
Dito kami sa Barangay Santo Tomas, Batangas. Dito kami mamimigay ng aming mga dala-dala para sa mga evacuees. So, andito po tayo. Kasama po natin si Nanay Francisca.
Pangangabayo namin pababa, mga nasa kalahatian na kami. Malalakas sa putok na. Bagong pumuputok. Nandito pa po kami sa sa crater. Uwi na po kami. Oo, sige. Uwi na ako. Bye-bye. Bye-bye po. Laot-laot na. Nakita na yung usok sa crater. Souvenir vendor.
Souvenir vendor. So, paano na yun, Nay?
Yun nga iniisip ko na ba bumalik. Wala na. Balik na kasi hindi ko malaman kung makukuha ko pa. Kung nakabaon kasi yun eh. Nakabaon na kasi yung crater, kasing taas ito. Eh walang nakikita crater.
Natabunan.
Yung tinatayo sa ilalim, wala na yung view deck. Siguro bumaksak, nag-collapse din at natabunan.
Francisca lived on gorgeous Volcano Island with thousands of Filipinos, now without their homes and their livelihood. As Kathy and I were interviewing Francisca and others, her husband went back to what was once a beautiful home to see if their pets, livestock, and horses were alive. I have no words to describe what I saw.
Ito po ang aming bahay. Ito po ang aming aso, Koko!
Here we are going to help out the Taal victims. This is the Wak Wak Riders Club Philippines, and we want to thank all our brothers here, our sisters. Boss Al is holding the phone right now.
Yes.
Big donator and also supporter. And folks, we have a lot of help that needs to be done. We're giving, but more needs to be given. So hopefully our friends out there that hears this message can reach out and try to help us be more, helpful to our brothers, our kababayans here in the Philippines. Peace out, Wak Wak.
Here's our convoy. Bro Mike Scar, Bro Mike Tolentino, Andy, and Brother Dennis Balbin Scar, Zinalin Scar, and here's to the last Bro Archie Scar and the Raptor. Thanks now para sa kasama namin si Paring Tom Olivar sa pagbabahagi ng tulong sa sa lanta ng Taal eruption. Kasama rin namin si Pastor. So ini message Pastor. Aming mga poging Wak-Wak members. So dalawang magtukayo. Salamat guys, salamat.
Wak Wak brothers.
Wak Wak is really nice guy.
I love you, bro. What's that?
Ayan yung mga damit na ipapamahagi namin. Mga unan, mga blanket, mga underwear. Then we also have some goods dun sa kotse.
Maraming salamat po sa bigay na tulong ninyo. Mga Wawak Riders po.
Meron kang bagong chinelas. Masaya ka. Ano masasabi mo sa kanila? Ayun yung wish mo. Ano masasabi mo sa mga tumulong dito? Maraming salamat. So ano yung pinaka-wish mo talaga? Na sana maligtas lahat na naandito. Thank you. What's your name again, Princess Dayan? Princess Dayan? Thank you, Princess.